This was a little manageable. It's getting a little more complicated. But you can do this. Come on. If the input is x, you're going to put into whatever this is inside where the x is and evaluate the expression and find out what the y will equal. And that's going to go here. After you do about 100 of these, you'll get it. Okay? Y is equal to x. This time the x is a negative 18. Negative 18 over 6 minus 2. Ooh, it's kind of hard to do a mental math now. So you should evaluate this step by step. Look. What is, if I took away the negative, what's 18 divided by 6? 3, isn't it? 6 times 3 is 18. But I said it before, when you multiply or divide a negative and a positive, it becomes out to be a negative. And you said 18 divided by 6 is 3. And negative 3 minus the 2. This is like saying you go to the bank and you take out $3 and take out 2 more bucks. How much do you owe the bank? Well, you took out a total of 5, so it's negative 5. There it is. Now, if the domain, if the input is 12, what will the y become? So you do it again, just like before. Where the x is, you're going to put in, not negative 18 this time, negative 12 this time. And do the same thing. So you go, well, 12 divided by 6 is 2. 6 times 2 is 12. But since there's a negative, it must be negative 2. And no, be careful. My kids always get confused. Is it a plus negative or... No, come on. Okay, you take out $2, take out 2 more dollars. How much total money did you take out? $4 total you owe the bank. Negative 4. There it is. Think money. Okay, so now, oh, whoa, look at this, look at this. Now, these outputs are noted as negative 3 and negative 2. And yeah, you're probably thinking patterns already, aren't you? If this went from negative 18 to negative 12, you're saying, oh, that's a 6 units difference. From negative 18 to negative 12, you're moving 6 steps to the right. So does that mean if I move 6 more steps to the right, it will get to negative 6? And if I get to 6 units more to the right from there, do I get a 0? Well, let's check. These are the answers, by the way, right? So let's check. So let's come over here. I'm running out of space. Y is equal to x over 6, but x is going to be negative 6 over the 6 minus the 2. Without the negative, this would have been 6 divided by 6, which is 1. But since it's a negative, it's a negative 1 minus the 2. You take out $1, take out 2 more dollars from the bank, you took out a total of $3. So there it is. It works. So I'm not going to waste your time. What will happen? Well, you know what? I wanted to go backwards to prove that the negative 3, 6 was the answer. So let's do it this way. Instead, for this one, let's let the y equal negative 2. So x over 6 minus the 2. There it is. All right. Jeez. This is what I really want to show you. Check this out, okay? Check this out. All right, so you go like this. You go, to solve for x, you have to get rid of the minus 2 first. Well, let's just do it. Here we go. So do the opposite of minus 2, which is plus 2. And whatever you do to the right side of the equation, you do it to the other. This is actually a different lesson in a different instructional video. But let's just do it. So on the right side, negative 2 and positive 2, they become 0. All that remains on the right side is x over 6. On the left side, same thing happens. Negative 2, positive 2, they also become 0. Oh no, what to do? You just follow through with it. X divided by 6, you go, what's inverse of divided? You multiply the 6 to both sides. So 6 and 6 cancel on the right side, remaining just the x. And on the left side, 6 times 0 is a 0, so it matches. See? That didn't help, did it? But this is how you find the table of values. Hopefully you get easier questions than these for your own homework assignment. Good luck. Chocolate chip cookies.